Do you save money for your children? Or you dig into your own savings when you need money for them? Well, in this video, we're going to show you ways how to save money for your children and also how to teach your children to be a savvy saver. This is Swati Basi, your virtual financial advisor. For best advice on personal finance, subscribe to my YouTube channel, hit the notification bell to be notified when I upload new videos. Today, building wealth for your children is getting harder. So if you want a solid return on your money and plan for the future of your children, you need to get a little bit more adventurous and take more risk with at least some of your money. Talk to your children about money. Either the topic is seen as too sensitive or they just feel that they don't know enough to give good advice. However, the worst lesson that any parent could ever give a child about money is not talking about it. Children learn the most from the example that they are set. And that is why it is so important to show that money is not something to be scared of or anxious about it. It is something that should be made to work for you. That is why it is best to expose children to the idea of saving sooner rather than later. From a young age, they should see that they can have control over their money. Here are 3 easy ways to get them thinking the right way about saving. Give presents that mean something. Of course, children love toys and having something to play with, but not every present they receive has to give them instant gratification. Putting money in a unit trust or a stockbroking account or even a high cash value guaranteed life insurance policy might not sound like the most exciting gift in the world, but it can be rewarding. For a start, it gives them some sense of having their own savings and some money of their own to look after. Over time, it is also the best way to teach them about different savings products, asset classes, and things like interest and dividends, as they can see for themselves how they work. A low-cost online stockbroking account could even allow them to make their own decisions about what stocks to invest in. At an early age, their decisions are not likely to be influenced by rigorous analysis, but they can still invest in companies that they know something about. For instance, if they like eating Domino's pizza, why not show them that they can actually buy a part of that company? Or if you always do your shopping at Walmart, let them buy the stock. Over time, the likelihood is that their interest will grow in how these businesses work, how they generate earnings, and what being a shareholder means. This will eventually lead them into making well-informed decisions about their investments. Involve them in their own savings. If you are saving for your child's education like an RESP, are they aware of it? Do they know that you're putting away money every month, where it is going, and what it is for? Explaining to your children that you're saving for the future allows for you to have a discussion around why it's important to do this and how it works. Not only will this give them some sense that they just can't take things for granted, but it also gets them thinking about the importance of financial planning. Think of the future before they do. The earlier your children start saving for retirement, the less they need to save. One of the biggest impacts you can make for the future financial well-being is therefore to start for them. Plan to present your child with a lump sum on their 18th or 21st birthday, either in their own tax-free savings account or place them in a retirement funding vehicle. You may not think you're contributing much, but just imagine an amount of $10,000 will grow to nearly $1 million over a period of 45 years at a compound growth rate of 10% per year. That is a worthwhile boost to their future retirement and will also get them thinking about their financial future as soon as they enter the working world. Many parents wonder how much should they save for their children's education and their future. They also wonder how soon should they start. The answer is simple. Save early, earn more. Even a small savings each year will translate into substantial savings later. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up sign, subscribe to my channel, and share it with a friend. Thanks for watching. Personal finance made easy, so it's time to start your own financial game plan.